Atlas Copco a great place to work?
Honestly, the people. The people make this place a great place to work. There's never a dull moment in this company. The people make it fun to show up to work. Also, too, the work is challenging, and I think that's what makes this place so great because you never get bored. Challenges come up and you have to find solutions. The flexibility is great here, and they work with your schedule if they need to.
How have you personally benefited from the Atlas Copco culture?
Atlas Copco was able to give me a career. This place will give you a chance if you're willing to work for it. It's like you're learning every single day from all these great people.
What motivates and inspires you?
When I first, even before I worked here, Tim Briskini was actually one of my professors, and the passion he held for working for this place was one of the main things that brought me here. It was like, what is this place? Let's check it out. He was so passionate about Mafi-Trench, Atlas Copco. And when I got here, I realized it. When you walk in, you get that stadium feel. It's like you're awed. It's kind of like, wow. In this little town, we built this great product that most people don't know of. And I think that's what inspires a lot of people is like, what we make makes a difference in the world.
What advice would you give someone looking for a career with Atlas Copco?
Honestly, get your foot in the door. Everybody wants to have this plan and have all these things done, but you can grow in this company if you're willing to put the work. Once you're in here, the sky's the limit. Just get yourself in the door.